We all make hundreds of decisions every day. Some are small, seemingly insignificant choices. What to have for breakfast, which route to take to work, what to watch on TV. Others feel weightier, accepting a new job offer, ending a relationship, making a significant purchase. But what if I told you that even the smallest decisions, consistently made, can dramatically shape your future? It's true. The cumulative effect of our daily choices, both big and small, determines the trajectory of our lives. Think about your health. Choosing a sugary soda over water might seem inconsequential in the moment, but repeated daily over months and years, that choice contributes to weight gain, increased risk of disease, and decreased energy levels. Conversely, consistently choosing healthy foods, exercising regularly, and prioritizing sleep, even in small increments, builds a foundation for a healthier, more energetic, and longer life. Your finances are another area profoundly impacted by daily decisions. That daily latte might seem affordable, but multiplied over a year, it represents a significant sum that could be invested, saved, or used to pay down debt. Similarly, small, consistent savings, even if it's just a few dollars a day, can accumulate into a substantial amount over time, providing financial security and opportunities in the future. Your career path is also shaped by daily choices. Do you consistently seek out opportunities for learning and growth? Do you network and build relationships with colleagues and mentors? Do you dedicate time to improving your skills and expanding your knowledge? These seemingly small efforts, repeated daily, contribute to professional advancement and increased earning potential. Even your relationships are influenced by daily decisions. Do you prioritize quality time with loved ones? Do you actively listen and communicate effectively? Do you show appreciation and express your love and affection? These small acts of kindness and connection, performed consistently, strengthen bonds and build lasting relationships. The power of compounding applies not just to money, but to every aspect of our lives. Small positive daily choices compound over time, leading to significant positive outcomes. Conversely, small negative daily choices, repeated consistently, can lead to negative consequences that accumulate and significantly impact your future. So, how can you harness the power of daily decisions to build a brighter future? Start by becoming more mindful of your choices. Pay attention to the small decisions you make each day. Ask yourself, is this choice contributing to the life I want to live? Is this choice aligned with my values and goals? Then make a conscious effort to incorporate small, positive changes into your daily routine. Choose healthy foods, exercise regularly, save a little money each day, dedicate time to learning and personal growth, and nurture your relationships. These small changes, repeated consistently, will compound over time, leading to a future you'll be proud of.